KeyTracker User Manual General Version. KeyTracker Packing List. KeyTracker Accessory Installation Instructions. The protective case is waterproof. To use it, please follow the steps below. 1. Turn on the KeyTracker. 2. Open the protective case. 3. Place the KeyTracker into the protective case. 4. Bind the device to the item you need to locate, such as backpack, with a magic band. KeyTracker Service Activation Process. Step 1. Download the GlocalMe app. Please refer to instructions included in the packing or KeyTracker device for the QR code to download this app. Step 2. Sign up and log in to GlocalMe account. Please open the GlocalMe app on your mobile device and proceed signing up with your phone number or email address. Step 3. Link the KeyTracker. Select and click on the binding scenario. When the app enters the scenario interface, click on Add Device. Click on Scan. Scan the QR code on the KeyTracker's body. The app will display a binding prompt. Click Link to complete the process. Step 4. Power on. Press and hold power button for 3 seconds. The KeyTracker will emit a beep sound indicating successful power on. The power indicator and Wi-Fi connection indicator will light up for 2 seconds and then automatically turn off. Step 5. Purchase service. Click on the icon indicating the remaining tracking service package in the app and purchase the appropriate tracking service package according to your needs. Your purchase was successful. KeyTracker Tracking Instructions. How to view location information on KeyTracker? Click to enter the selected scenario, and the app will automatically update. And display the location. For the first time of using this feature, the location will be presented after 3 minutes waiting. You can also manually update the location by clicking Get Location button. When the app will display a prompt, wait for approximately 1 to 2 minutes for the app to show the updated location. How to enable real-time mode? Click to switch to real-time mode. Continuously monitor the app for real-time location updates. How to find a person carrying a KeyTracker? Click Person Search Mode. Click Confirm to enter this mode. Based on the current location, if the target is within 100 meters, enable the Close Range Active Search function and click Confirm. The orange rectangular area displayed on the app is the search area, which is divided into 4 sections indicating possible locations where the target might be. Please search within these 4 sections. If the target is not found in the current section will turn red. Now you need to move to the next section. Continue this process until gradually approaching the target. When within 50 meters from the target, the app will automatically switch to cursor interface. You can continue to move towards the target based on voice prompt and the indication of the cursor. Click Play Sound following the voice prompt, and the app will display the interface for ringing the device. Use the device's ringtone to locate the target more accurately. If the target has been found, click to stop the ringing. A pop-up box will ask if the target has been found. Click Found to automatically switch back to normal mode. KeyTracker Emergency Internet Access Instructions. There are two ways to activate emergency internet access. Method 1. KeyTracker activation. When the KeyTracker is already powered on, simultaneously press and hold the power button and the function button for 3 seconds, then release. The power indicator and Wi-Fi connection indicator will remain lit, which indicates that the emergency internet access is activated. Method 2. App activation. Switch to Person Location Guide or Items Location Tracking mode. Then click to enter Emergency Internet Access page. Enable Emergency Internet. Connect to the device's Wi-Fi hotspot. The indicator on the device will remain lit, which indicates the emergency internet is enabled. The app will display the remaining duration of emergency internet access. Disabled emergency internet access. You can click to End User function on the app and click the upper left corner to return to main interface. Other instructions of KeyTracker. How to switch between different application scenarios? Click to switch application scenarios. Choose the desired scenario. During the switch, the KeyTracker will restart. The power indicator will remain lit, and the Wi-Fi indicator will blink. After the restart is completed, both indicator lights will turn off. The entire process takes about 45 seconds. Once the switch is completed, the app will display information about the desired scenario. How to add an electronic fence? Click to Enter Electronic Fence Settings page. Click to add an electronic fence. Set a name and define radius range. You can drag and move the pin to change the center point. How to enable and disable airplane mode. Enable airplane mode. Click to enter airplane mode settings page. Set the desired duration. Click to confirm and enable airplane mode. After enabling airplane mode, the app display will be as follows. The KeyTracker will be in an unavailable state, and all functions will be displayed in gray. Disable airplane mode. After the countdown for airplane mode ends, the KeyTracker will return to normal mode. If you want to disable airplane mode before the countdown ends, you can press the button to exit. Press the power button for 1 second, then release it, and wait for 20 seconds. This will disable airplane mode, and the app will return to a main page. How to use accuracy enhancement feature? If the KeyTracker's current location is displayed using base station signal, clicking Get Location or entering the Entering Person Search and Item Search or Pet Search mode will prompt the app to ask whether to execute accuracy enhancement. If the KeyTracker's current location is displayed using Wi-Fi or GPS signals, there will be no prompts. You can perform up to 3 rounds of network search, with each round lasting a maximum of 3 minutes. After each round of network search, you have the option to choose to end the search and exit the accuracy enhancement feature. The app will display the enhanced accuracy data. How to check battery level? Method 1. Check battery level through the app. Click on the scenario and enter the app interface to view the KeyTracker's battery level. When the KeyTracker's battery level drops below 10%, a prompt will appear to remind you to charge the KeyTracker. Method 2. Check battery level on the KeyTracker. When the KeyTracker is powered on, press power button for 1 second. The power indicator on the front of KeyTracker will indicate battery status. How to charge? Use your own Type-C charging cable and 5V 2A charger. Connect the charging cable to the Type-C charging port on the KeyTracker, and then connect it to the charger. Plug the charger into a power source. KeyTracker also provides other features such as navigation, location sharing, and historical tracks. Please feel free to explore them. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.